Hey guys, what's up? Boston here, and welcome back to another Tutorial Tuesday. And today I'm going to teach you how to add custom fonts to your videos. So let's jump right into it. So starting off, you're going to want to open Safari or Google, whichever internet platform you search on, and search up Dafont.com. This is a website that uses, but it has all sorts of different custom fonts, and they update it like I think weekly or daily because it's awesome. But they have all sorts of different fonts that you can use. And so what we're gonna do right here is we're just gonna look up Lego. And once we are done doing that, you can scroll through a couple different ones. I like the Lego bricks one. So as you can see, but they got capitals, lowercase, numbers, and different symbols. So it works really well. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna press download on the right. And if you have the newer updated version on your iPad or phone, it'll come up, and on the top right, it'll show it. Press on that. It'll take you to your file right there. And so now what we're going to do is you're going to want to download an app called Ifont, and I'm going to have the link to it in the description for Apple users. But you just open that up, and it may take a minute or so to download it and upload and start. But once it's started, what you're going to want to do is on the top left of your screen, press the word import. And then you're going to want to find the file that says Lego bricks. I've got a couple different ones because I've already done it, but just press on that one file that already says it, and it'll come up. Press import to Ifont. And once you're done doing that, it'll come in. And so what you're going to do is on the left of your screen where it shows the files that you have, you're going to want to press on the Lego bricks font or whatever font you're going to download. And because I've already downloaded it, the install button does not show up. But if you have one that you didn't download, like if you haven't downloaded Lego bricks yet, press install, press allow. And then you're going to want to press close because it says it's downloaded, and then you're going to want to follow the instructions on your settings that it tells you to do to install it to your software. And so because I've already done that, it's already installed. And so if you use specific apps, like I use KineMaster, and KineMaster supports this. And so just open up KineMaster if you're a KineMaster user. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to just want to open a new file. Doesn't matter what size, just pick one. And then import some media. I'm going to give you a little sneak peek of a video because it's like the footage I got right now. It's coming soon, Star Wars video. But yeah, so you just put in a simple word. I'm going to put in BCStrike. And once we're done with this, check mark on the top right of your screen, it says font. Press that and go to system. And then look up your word like Lego bricks is right there. Press on it. You're good. Press check mark. And voila, you finally have Lego wording. And so this works for all sorts of different fonts. You can download any one and just follow the steps that I showed you to do this. It doesn't matter what. We can just put in like the word artist, and it'll come up with different paint looking fonts or like coloring or scratches. It works for all sorts of different ones. It's got thousands, and they upload it, I think, daily. So, guys, if you are interested in doing custom stuff like this, then definitely subscribe if you want to see more tips and tricks on how to upgrade and produce better quality videos. But yeah, guys, so thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a big like and subscribe. And I'd also like to thank you so much for 700 subscribers. It really means a lot, and I really appreciate all the support. Without further ado, guys, hope you have an awesome rest of your day. God bless, and I'll see you in the near future. Bye for now.